Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to set profile picture of Line account. To do that, you need to open Line application. Make sure to sign in on your Line account. Once you are done, tap on the upper right corner gear icon. Once you are on the settings page, tap on profile which is at the top of the screen. When you reach on the profile page, scroll down and tap on set profile icon and cover which is at the bottom of the screen. So if you haven't yet selected the photo or the profile picture for Line account, then you can tap on open camera. Here are the different ways that you can set your profile picture on Line account. You can tap on open camera and take a selfie and easily set your picture or photo as the profile, or else you can also tap on select photo or video and select the photos from your file that are already existed on your device, or else you can also tap on profile studio and select the profile from there. Let's for now tap on select photo or video option here. So you need to allow Line to access photos and media on your device. So to grant permission, you need to tap on allow button. So from your gallery, you can easily choose any photo you would like to. Tap on the photo and now you can customize it. Once you have selected the picture and customized it, you can tap on next button which is at the bottom right corner. On this page, you can add stickers, text, draw any icon you'd like to, add filters as well, and customize as you like. After you are done customizing the photo, tap on done button which is at the bottom right corner. When you refresh the page, you can see that you had already updated the profile of your Line account. If you want to set the profile cover, then you can also do in the similar way as you have done for the profile icon of Line account. After you have done that, you can easily see that you have set your profile picture on the Line account. Hope so this video was useful. Thank you for watching.